Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, you already know what to do. If you're an OG, thank you for coming around. Thank you for watching my videos. You already know I post a video every day on this channel. Yes, I do it for now, and I hope to continue being active this way because I'm enjoying it. Guys, in today's video I have my notes here. I'm going to be learning Igbo language, of course, how to speak and uses and tips in Igbo language, and today is phrases as well. Igbo language is all about phrases. Every language you're learning is all about phrases, and these phrases are what you're going to combine to make sentences. So if you don't know the phrases in the language you're trying to learn, if you don't know the phrases in Igbo language, how can you make sentences? And we can never stop making phrases in Igbo language, because phrases are the things that comes together to form a sentence, to form a word, to form anything you can think about. Do you understand? So phrases, phrases, phrases. And today I have my notes and I put down the very simple phrases, but yet very important for beginners, like kedu. Kedu ka imere? How are you? 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 We also have here odimma. Odimma. It's fine. It's fine. Odimma. Odimma. It's fine. Odimma can come in two places. You can say Odimma means also I'm fine. If somebody asks you, how are you doing? You say Odimma. How is everything? Odimma. How is everything going? Odimma. Do you understand? Yes. And also we have Ndewo. Ndewo is good day. Good day. You come into an environment, so many people are there. You just don't come in and sit down. So most times it looks very arrogant, even though everybody is facing their face left and right, but you're the last person to come in and people are there. So it's very polite to say hello, hello, or good day, whichever one. If it's an Igbo gathering, Ndewo is perfectly the perfect word to use. Ndewo. You can come into your house and somebody is around. You don't know if it's afternoon, you don't know if it's evening, you don't know if it's night. You can just say Ndewo and just keep going. Do you understand? And we have Oga Deregenama. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. Oga Deregenama. Most time the kings used to use this for the subordinates, the cabinets, the people they are ruling. Oga Deregenama. It shall be well with you. Your father can also tell you Oga Deregenama because you're a good child. You're a good child that listens to the father and respects the father. Can also tell you Oga Deregenama. It shall be well with you. Oga Deregenama. It shall be well with you. We also have here no. Welcome. No. Welcome. No. Welcome. This is usually used. You're in the house and somebody went out before you, and the person also came back meeting you in the house. You can no welcome. You can tell that to your mom, to your father, to anybody you feel that is close to you, that you have this close thing with. But just welcome is no. Any place you want to use welcome, you can use no. It's also good as well. You can also say another one here is dalo. Thank you. Dalo, thank you. Thank you is very important. You always tell people thank you. I do things for you. I mean, I say thank you. Even sometimes I say thank you. You know you do something for me, but I say thank you all the time, and I don't see anything there as well. So thank you in Igbo language is dalo. 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 That is thank you. Dalo. And we have Umba. Umba is no. When you don't want to come. Are you joining me to go to watch movies today? And you say Umba. It means no. Are you going to eat rice and beans? Today is Sunday. You say Umba. It means you don't want to eat rice and beans. You're not interested in eating rice and beans. And we have here Biko, please. Biko, please. As small as this word is, it's very difficult for people to use it. But you still have to use it if you want to make way to people's heart. You still have to use it if you want to pave way for yourself in this line, because in this life it's all about recommendation. You can be this polite person, somebody else recommends you. Somebody you met once and was polite with recommends you to something bigger. So I just think saying please, is something, it's a step to open door for you. Do you understand? So learn how to say please, biko, biko, please, biko, please, biko. And also here we have cherem, cherem, wait for me. You're going out with your friend, you're running late. If your friend is already she's ready or she's ready and waiting inside the car or already outside the door for you just to be fast, just say cherem, 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 anamabia, wait for me, I'm coming. Cherem, cherem, wait for me. Cherem, wait for me. Cherem, wait for me. So that is it, guys. That brings me to the end of this video today. Hope you memorize these things I just said now. You can just start asking yourself questions like how are you doing, wait for me, do you understand, thank you, sorry. Just memorize it. I also told you guys to set my video on your watch later so that it can be easy for you to visit without going back and forth. You just go to your watch later, then you watch the video. Please guys, if you have watched to this point and you're not subscribed yet, please try to subscribe. Subscription is free. Share this video as well, give it a thumbs up, because when you give it a thumbs up, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, and I also appreciate it as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Bye.